Hi, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to apply for the IBPS clerical opening. It's a recent call for. Already we have shared the video about the regarding all the notifications and the eligibility and criteria for the post. Now we are going to see step-by-step procedure of how to apply for the job. I will provide this link on the description. Please follow it. Type your name. Confirm your name. Your last name. Confirm your name. See here, ensure the name is proper. You cannot modify once you have confirmed. Just I confirm the mobile number, mail ID. Security code. Save and next. Click. Ensure the data is correct. You cannot modify once you are confirmed. And then you have to upload your photo and signature. The photo should be within 20 to 50k. Signature should be 10 to 20k. Photo and signature. Just for on trial basis, I am uploading these images. Please you upload your images properly and ensure it appears here clearly, because if it is not clear, your application will be rejected. Then click next. Now you have to enter your details. It is general or OBC or disability. No. Number of riyals. Religion. Minority. No. Serviceman. Ex-serviceman. Need relaxation. If you comes under any quota, then you have to select accordingly. If you have previously written this exam, it should be so. So it is not. It will be no. Nationality and the state which you are applying. Please select it carefully. And preliminary examination center. And the main examination centers also, it is only 3 centers for the main: Chennai, Madurai and Tirunelveli. So select your preferred location for the exam. Your ID should be matched with your name you have selected. Its date of birth. So the age is 21. Gender, if you do have any twins. Your marital status. Your father name, mother name, address, type your complete address. Sufficient rows have been provided. The address is same. Select the address for validate. Click validate your details. Verify it successfully. Click save and next. Always ensure your data is validated. See your educational qualification. So these things, please follow your certificates. Do you have operating or about computer? Do you have operating and working knowledge in computer system? We have seen it in notification. Yes, you have studied, or you do you have any certifications like that? It is mandatory. Is there any prosecution? No. Your local language, you should be able to read, write, and speak the local language of the state to which you are applying. Validate your details. Oh, some errors it seems. Computer system shit. Okay. Click validate. Verify successfully. Save and next. See, these are the list of bands to which you apply. So please select it in your as per your priority. Select the bands from the box. Name of the bands. Select the bands will be populated on the right side. Right side which the populated bands, just drag and drop to the change the order of the bands. All the bands under box name of the bands should be given preference. All the bands should be selected, but you can give the preference. What you want first? You want if Indian Overseas Bank or Indian Bank or Canara Bank is your first preference. Like that you can provide your preference. Punjab and Sindh could be the last because we have very limited presence. So on selecting it, you can check out the branches, network of branches at your state. All the banks should be selected, but the order should be as per your wish. Validate details. Save and click next. See, you can find all the details here. Ensure the details are correct. Go through all the details one by one and ensure it is correct. Please click here. Yes, agree. And you have to select from this is my photo. Click complete registration. Once confirmed, no changes can be permitted. So please check all your details carefully. And at the last step, you have to upload your left thumb impression here, and you have to upload the written declaration that I confirm the details have been correct. The declaration is there, the format and the exact words should be there. It should be written in only English, and it should not be written handwritten declaration should not be in your local language. So you have to upload both these things and type the security code. That's it. Click save and next. That's it. The final thing is your payment. That's it. This is the proper way. And once you have gone through it, once you have completed basic information itself, you will receive the registered number and details to your mobile number, to your contact number. So please make use of it for further any communications, or if you log in again, please make use of your registered number. Friends, I hope this is the perfect way to apply for the IBPS clerical post. So don't miss it. It's a post just a call for. So any interested candidates apply it immediately and make use of the available opportunities, because the list of banks was all banks, superb banks, Canara Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, all the banks have been very preferred at a high public sector banks. Please make use of it. Thank you.